How to export part of video in Premiere Pro. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So start by following the steps right here. So to export the specific part, firstly select the portion to export. When you edit a video, you can select the portion. So after selecting the portion, set out the point. And after that, you can simply open the export settings. Go to the top menu and click on the file, export media, or press the Ctrl+M if you are using Windows. Now set the source range. Like from the beginning to ending, you can select the source range and set it to sequence in and out. Choose your export settings, select your preferred format in the format drop down menu. Choose an appropriate preset as well, like high quality, for if you are uploading it on YouTube or anything. Adjust the resolution, frame rate and other things, and also the audio. Set the output location and now export the video like you normally do. Now review the exported video clip. If you don't like it, you can simply change it as well. So this method allows you to efficiently export just the specific portion of your video with rendering the entire sequence. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.